Good morning, student. How are you? Okay, fine. Welcome to all in our RP classes. Your Avasti ma'am is here. Today I am going to start your third chapter from Grammar Right of class 7. This is your third chapter, adjectives. First you have to know what is adjective. So everyone look here. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Examples: Ankur is an intelligent boy. Look at the intelligent. This is an adjective word. Kolkata is a big city. Big is adjective. Which type of city? Big city. I bought 5 oranges. How many oranges you have to bought? 5. 5 is adjective. Now you have to learn how many kinds of adjective. There are 7 kinds of adjectives. Number 1, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective. Interrogative adjective emphasizes adjective. Now I am going to explain these type of adjectives. So everyone look at the page number 14. You can see here are types of adjective and their definition. Okay? Adjective of quantity means describe the qualities of a noun. They answer the questions of what kind. This is quality. Next, adjective of quantity gives us an idea about the quantity of noun. It means they tell us how much. This is the quantity word. Okay. Next, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective point to a particular noun. They include this, that, these, those. Means the 4 words are called demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. Now, possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate who or what owns something, such as they include my, your, his, her, our, their, its. These words are possessive adjectives. Examples are here. The colorful pencil. Which type of pencil? Colorful. This is the quality of pencil. They drank all the juice. How much milk? All. All means whole, complete juice. Surabhi cooked that fish dish herself. Surabhi cooked that dish herself. My best friend will visit us soon. This word is possessive adjective. Okay? Because this was possession. The next type of adjective, interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjective means ask a question related to a noun, such as whose book is this? Whose? This is a question word. Okay? Adjective of number. Adjective of number tell us about the number of a noun. Okay? Such as Martha participated in 4 competitions this year. Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the moon. Here are some toys for the child. Neither kid had found the lost ball. You know, here are number words. Okay? Now, Do this exercise with me. Fill in the blanks with the types of adjective mentioned in the bracket. Means you have to write the adjective word here according to given word in bracket. Interrogative adjective means you have to use here interrogative type of adjective. So shirt, blank shirt do you like? Which? Okay. Next, girl, cap, dancing. Adjective of quality. Hearted. The hearted girl kept dancing. Okay. John ate blank sandwich yesterday. Adjective of number means you have to fill number here. 2. John ate 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, as your wish. Next, he has won blank competition. Indefinite adjective. Several. This is not definite. Okay, several. He has won several competitions. All blanks. All the boys are going to play football. Indefinite adjective. All. Okay. All boys are going to play football. Blanks. Students had done his homework. Distributive adjective means neither nor, either or. Okay, neither students has done his homework. Okay, next, there isn't blank space for me to sit. Adjective of quality. Enough space. Okay, enough is the quality of space. Okay, my blank scarf is missing from my room. Adjective of quality. Blue color. Okay, so fill here blue scarf is missing from my room. Next, the blank street is difficult to walk in. Adjective of quality. Which type of street? Crowded. Okay. Crowded street is difficult to walk in. Okay. Please distribute blank pencil in the class. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, you know, 4 words, this, that, these, those. Okay. So these. Pencils is plural word. Okay. So fill here these. Please distribute these pencils in the class. The next topic is order of adjective. Okay. Children, you already know that when we use more than one adjective to describe a noun, we have to follow a certain order. Look at the table to revise the order of adjectives. Okay. So everyone look at this chart. First you are in number, then opinion, size, age, purpose, material, nationality, origin, color, and then space. Okay. So based on this, an exercise here. Turn over the page. Open your page number 16. Page number 16. Look at this exercise. Exercise number C. Rewrite these sentences using the correct order of adjectives. Rita spotted large 6 brown birds while returning from school. Means you have to arrange these words, adjective words. Large 6 brown. Okay. Now note down the correct order of the adjective. Rita spotted 6 large brown birds while returning from school. Okay. Rita spotted 6 large brown birds while returning from school. Number 2. The old small stooped woman lives at the end of the street. The old, stooped, small woman lives at the end of the street. Next, the blue small strain shop is the best street shop in town. The strain small blue shop is the best street shop in town. Next, the child only played with his red, bright, strong fire truck. Write this way. The child only played with strong, bright, red fire truck. The last one, 5. The strong, most useful large utensils of the kitchen is kept over the counter. The most large I repeat number 5. The most useful, large, strong utensil of the kitchen is kept over the counter. Okay. Now next topic is formation of adjective. It means how to form the adjective. Okay. Formation of adjective form from noun, verbs. Okay. Rules of formation: by using the suffix ous, ic, able, ful, al and by, you can change the noun word into adjective, such as honor, honorable, beauty, beautiful. Next, verb. How can we verb change into adjective? By using suffix like full, able, evil and less. The words are cheer, cheerful, taste, tasteless. Next, adjective. By using suffix like some, fold, by, is and ly, such as red, reddish, two, twofold. Okay. Now do this exercise number D. Do yourself in book. And do the exercise number C in your book. Okay. Next, exercise number D. Do yourself in book. Form adjectives by adding suitable suffix. You have to add these type of suffix into the word and change these words into adjective word. Okay. Such as herb, herbal. Okay. Do yourself. The next exercise is form adjective from the given words and then use those adjectives to form sentences of your own. Such as, this is a word. First you have to change into adjective. I have changed this word into adjective. Stormy. This is a noun, storm. I change this word into adjective, stormy, and use the sentence, I caught in a stormy night. This word you have to use in your sentence. Next number, joy, joyful. Write the sentence yourself. Use this word in your sentence. Okay. Number 3, tense. Use this word in your sentence. Black, blackish. Use this word in your sentence. Elder, elderly. Now use this word in your sentence. Okay, students. Now, next exercise. Use the following compound adjectives in sentences of your own. High speed. You have to use this word in your sentence. This is the compound adjective. Okay. A high speed car passed from there. The little girl well behaved with her guest. well behaved. Okay. Okay. I start this number. Number 3. Long forgotten. A long forgotten story. State of the art. A new state of the art hospital became the hope of all the patients. Number 5. Well ventilated. A well ventilated house. Next, number 6. Full time. A full time job. Now turn over the page. Look at this exercise. Choose the correct option to fill the blank with collocations. Okay, here are 2 words, but you have to choose one suitable word from the bracket. Okay, so B received a born. Okay, take the word born. In the future coming, in the coming weeks. Okay, so this is the right word. Next, he was in deep. Take the word deep. Trouble for missing the extra class. Next, I am leaving this place with a sad heavy heart. Heavy. Next, 5. She was stuck in thick heavy traffic. The next exercise, let's perfect it. Rewrite the given sentences in your notebook using the correct adjective. Identify the types of adjective being used here. Okay, this exercise you have to do in notebook. Do in notebook because there is no place here to write the sentences. Number 1. Identify the types of sentences. Those. Those sheet is new. Demonstrative adjective. This is a wrong word. Okay, this, because seat is singular, so use here the word this. In place of those, use this. This seat is new. In bracket, demonstrative adjective. Next, every people in the town are literate. Wrong word here, all people. Use the word, correct word is all. All people in this town are literate. Next number, many soldiers was wearing a shiny steel armor. This is wrong word. Remove it, and in the place of many, use every. Every soldier was wearing a shiny steel armor. Next, Dr. Kalam became the 11th president. Okay, Dr. Kalam became the 11th Indian president. Next number, he knows 5 languages. 5th wrong, knows 5 languages. Okay.